Today, I will show you how to create high-quality AI videos completely free using Google Veo 3. You don't need any editing skills or paid tools. If you are a content creator, freelancer, or YouTuber, this tutorial will help you save time and money. By the end of this video, you will know how to generate cinematic AI videos and how to write perfect prompts easily. So make sure you watch till the end.
Google Veo 3 is an advanced AI video generation model developed by Google. It can create realistic and cinematic videos from simple text prompts. You can use Veo 3 for YouTube videos, ads, reels, and marketing content. Many platforms provide free access or trial credits for Veo 3. All you need is a Google account to get started.
Now let me show you how to create a professional Veo 3 prompt using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and describe your video idea clearly. Mention the subject, camera movement, lighting, mood, and video duration. ChatGPT will generate a clean cinematic prompt for you. This saves time and helps you get better results even if you are a beginner.
Using prompt in Veo 3, copy the prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the Veo 3 prompt box. Select the video duration. Usually 6 to 8 seconds works best. Choose a cinematic or realistic style if available. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. Veo 3 will create a high-quality AI video automatically.
As you can see, the final video looks smooth, cinematic, and professional. And the best part is, it was created completely free using AI. Now you can use this method to create videos for YouTube, ads, or social media. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.